Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got beautiful conditions to start out the day after a pretty pleasant night last night. Temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 60s across the local area here, 66 degrees. Our overnight low temperature here at Wallops, and we are expecting comfortable conditions to continue today, with those temperatures only reaching the low to mid 80s for daytime highs, and humidity values pretty nice for this time of year as well. Looking at the upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, we see those northeasterly winds at the low levels of the atmosphere becoming northwesterly as we go up in height, up around the 10,000 to 12,000 foot level. We see that shift out of the northwest and then eventually a shift out of the southwest as we get up to about 25,000 feet. The freezing level this morning was at 10,800 feet. Looking at our current surface analysis, that frontal boundary that gave us the rainfall a couple of days ago, still lingering off the coast, off to our southeast. Really nothing to be concerned about as that has pushed off far enough south to really not bring us any rain activity from that. We do have the trailing upper level low that is moving off the coast this morning, and a little bit of energy associated with that could be enough trigger to spark a couple of isolated showers, pop-up variety as we go into the afternoon across the Delmarva Peninsula. They will be pretty isolated, and we'll see pretty low chances for that actually occurring here at Wallops, but it will be something to keep an eye on as we go throughout the afternoon today. I'm going to take a look here at our visible satellite imagery. You can see all the cloudiness associated with that frontal boundary off the coast this morning. But here at Delmarva and in the local Wallops region, we're seeing mostly sunny skies, just a few clouds at the upper levels of the atmosphere around 25,000 feet, and pretty tranquil and comfortable conditions this morning. Looking at our radar, you can see nothing to be concerned about right now over the Wallops region. No precipitation being detected, and we will see several hours here where we will not have a chance of seeing any precipitation until we get into the afternoon today, where we will see those isolated pop-up showers across the region. Looking at the forecast map here and what we can expect as we go into the afternoon, looking pretty clear at 12 o'clock in the afternoon here at Wallops, but then as we get into around the 2 o'clock time frame, you can see the model starting to pick up on a few very isolated showers that will be popping up across the Delmarva. It does look like the best chance for seeing those showers will be off to our north and west, so pretty low chances right here at Wallops of getting any of those showers to occur. And as you can see by the model here, very isolated in nature. Not everybody is going to see those showers. More people will remain dry across the Delmarva than will see any kind of rain activity today, as those showers will be pretty isolated in nature. Looking at about the 6 or 7 o'clock time frame this evening, that's when we'll see all of that activity going away, and we'll see partly cloudy skies overnight tonight into the first part of Friday. Friday we were looking at maybe a isolated shower or two popping up across the region, but it looks like even less chance tomorrow than what we'll see today, with most of that activity again off to our west and into our north for your Friday. Looking into the weekend and what we can expect here, switching over to a longer range model as we go into the weekend, expecting dry conditions to continue throughout the area, and it looks like maybe our best chance for picking up a pop-up shower or thunderstorm for the weekend will occur on Sunday afternoon, but as you can see by the model here, very little forcing, and expecting those to be pretty isolated in nature. Once again, only about a 10% chance of precipitation on Sunday, and even less chances on Saturday. So should see a pretty nice weekend. Those temperatures will be gradually warming as we go into the weekend, a little bit higher humidity levels as well, but pretty comfortable conditions for this time of year. And we are expecting a very nice weekend in store for us weather-wise. Looking at the beginning of next week, conditions will become a little bit more humid, but as you can see, still dry weather expected. Really not expecting a very significant chance for precipitation until we get into the middle of next week. On Wednesday, looking to be our best chance of picking up some scattered showers and thunderstorms, but even then, not looking at very high chance at all. So looking at our next 24 hours and what we can expect, we're seeing the isolated threat for a shower or thunderstorm this afternoon pretty low around here, only about a 20% chance of seeing those showers, and even less chance for thunderstorm activity, about a 10% chance. Those chances will run between 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock this afternoon. Overnight tonight, expecting partly cloudy and comfortable conditions with a low of 67. And as we look at our next 7 days, what we can expect, again, only about a 20% chance on Thursday. As we run into the weekend, we'll see dry conditions continuing for the forecast here, with mid to upper 80s expected for your daytime highs. Low temperatures rising into the low 70s by the time we get into the weekend. We'll see a more humid and warmer air mass in place by the beginning to middle of next week. 88 degrees expected on Monday, 89 on Tuesday, and then 91 degrees on Wednesday, with again that chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, looking at about a 30% chance on Wednesday. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast tomorrow. Have a nice day.